Hi everyone. In this video, we are actually going to see the various data visualization technique, and for that purpose, along with the seaborn, we are using altair library. You can see the detail of this library by going to this web page. That link is given in front of you. Getting started, once you click this button, you will see the detail of this library. So important thing is that you have to go to the installation page and just copy this line of code and paste in the code environment. Okay, let's start working on this library and other libraries as well in order to visualize the datasets. So by selecting the folder in your VS Code environment, just create a new file. So you can name any file. I'm labeling this data file with the data, and further I'm going to give the path IPYNB. So just clicking on this file will be opened. And the second important thing you have to do is select the relevant kernel. So just clicking on the select kernel, it will show you the previous kernel on which you are working. So in this case, I'm using the HRA environment in which I'm going to perform the analysis. Okay, let's import all the library. So we need numpy as np. Second, import pandas as pd. Import seaborn as sns. Import matplotlib pyplot as plt. Next, we need import plotly.express as px, and finally import altair as alt. Okay, just execute this cell. Okay, it will take a couple of seconds. Now next you have to read the data file. So, we have to apply the read function, and we have to select the data file which we are going to perform the analysis. Okay, if you want to see the variables in this file, just apply the info function. It will show you the detail of the variables in this data file. Okay, let's make a graph, and for this purpose we are using alt function, and we will be making chart, and in parentheses we are giving the data frame and mark bar, and we further import this by giving the variables details. So in this example I'm using the variable distance from home, and on y-axis I'm taking iteration, and we color the relationship by using the iteration variable. Alright, so just execute this cell. Okay, now you can see the error. I have made a mistake, so here you have to write mark. So let's execute this cell once again. Okay, so you can see the bar chart. Here it is showing you the relationship between the distance from home and iteration. So let's make this graph more interactive. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to change the uh, variables. So let's see the relation between the age and daily rate that they are earning, and we have to see the relationship with the iteration variable. So let's execute this cell. So now this graph will give you more information. As you can see that the people who are having age between 25 and 35, they are showing more iteration. Their tendency to leave the organization is greater. As you can see that the yellow bar shows that the people who are leaving the organization, and they are at the same time they are getting high daily wages. So it's important that, and you can interpret that these people are having more opportunities as compared to the other people. So this is how in HR analytics you interpret the results. So the graphic visualization is very important because it gives you the insights and which are valuable for decision making purpose. Okay, you can use the seaborn library as well to do the data visualization. So for this purpose, I am going to give you an example. So if we want to plot the histogram, we will use this line of code and just give the variable. Here I am again using the age, and we are going to see the relationship of this variable with the iteration, and just mention the title. So I'm iteration. You can label, you can give any title of this graph. So finally just show the graph. So let's execute. Okay, so you can see how you can use the SNS library to make histogram, and again the same relationship could be seen here. So this is up to you which library you want to use. All right, thank you very much, and apply these codes in your working environment and see how you are going to interpret the results. Uh, by doing the practice, make sure that you change the variables, and in this case, your focus should be on the iteration. Find out what are the other variables that can cause the iteration. Thank you very much.